Hi friends! Today I'm so excited to show you how to crochet a sweet little friendship bracelet. This project is quick, fun, and perfect for sharing a bit of love with someone special in your life. Grab your yarn and hook, pull up a chair, and let's spend some time together creating something meaningful. You're going to love how simple and beautiful this is. So let's get started. The materials we're going to need for this friendship bracelet are 2 types of yarn. I have cut 4-foot lengths, 2 4-foot lengths, and we're going to need some beads. Now you can use any yarn you like, but you have to make sure that one strand of your yarn you're going to be able to string the beads you've chosen. And with the beads I've chosen, the hole was so small that I had to go down to a crochet thread size. So that's why I'm using this crochet thread, because I had to have a thin enough thread to thread on these beads. The other one is Lion Brand 24/7 cotton. I don't even really know what color this is because this is a scrap piece. You're also going to need scissors, and you're going to need a crochet hook. I've chosen 5mm crochet hook. To start, you're going to make sure your beads are off to the side, but not so far off that they slip off your thread. And then make sure you have 6 to 8 inches of a tail, and you're going to make a slip knot. And I'm ready to start my friendship bracelet. Still keeping those beads off to the side, you're going to pick up your yarn and you're going to make 2 chain stitches with both strands of those yarns. Now see how pretty that is? I've got the purple and that mauvey pink, and I have 2 chain stitches. Now at this point, I'm going to move one of those beads up to my hook, hold it there, gather up my yarn again, and make a chain stitch to anchor that bead to my bracelet. And then I do 2 more chains. And I will repeat that through all 7 of these beads I've chosen. I get my bead up to the hook, I gather my yarn up, and I do a chain stitch to anchor that bead, and then I do 2 chain stitches. Anchor my last bead, do my last 2 chain stitches, and now I'm going to fasten up by starting a chain and just pulling it through and pulling it tight. And I have my little bracelet. Now to fit it, just hold it up to your wrist and eyeball it so I can tie my knot pretty close up here, and this will actually stretch, so when you want to pull it on, you don't have to worry too much about that. I'll make a knot to fasten the friendship bracelet. And tie that off, and then we're going to clip that to make a lovely little tail, because that's all part of being a friendship bracelet. And now I can just slip this on because that does stretch. Now, isn't this simple and easy, and it is so cute? Thanks so much for spending time with me today, friends. I hope you had as much fun crocheting this friendship bracelet as I did showing you how to make it. Don't forget to share your creations. I'd love to see them. Tag me on social media or leave a comment below with how yours turned out. Until next time, happy crocheting!